Hey there, aspiring trainer. Welcome back to another. Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 6th episode, we're going to dive into the art of public speaking. We'll provide you with tips and techniques to help you develop confident public speaking skills and deliver your presentations with charisma. So, let's get started. As trainers, effective public speaking is a crucial skill that allows us to engage and inspire our audience. Here are some practical tips, expert insights, and actionable techniques to empower you on your journey towards becoming a successful trainer. 1. Prepare and practice. The key to confident public speaking is thorough preparation and practice. Take the time to research and gather relevant information, organize your thoughts, and create an outline for your presentation. Practice your delivery multiple times to familiarize yourself with the content and build confidence. 2. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is essential for delivering a compelling presentation. Research their needs, interests, and expectations beforehand. Tailor your content and language to resonate with your specific audience, making your message more relatable and engaging. 3. Start strong. Grab your audience's attention right from the beginning. Begin with a powerful opening statement, a captivating story, or an intriguing question. This sets the tone for your presentation and keeps your audience hooked. 4. Use confident body language. Your body language plays a significant role in conveying confidence and charisma. Stand tall, maintain eye contact with your audience, and use appropriate gestures to emphasize key points. Move around the stage or area to create a dynamic presence. 5. Speak with clarity and enthusiasm. Project your voice clearly and speak at a moderate pace. Articulate your words and use pauses effectively to emphasize important points. Infuse your delivery with enthusiasm and passion for your topic, as it will naturally engage your audience. 6. Utilize visual aids. Visual aids, such as slides or props, can enhance your presentation and help convey complex information more effectively. Use visuals sparingly and ensure they complement your message rather than overwhelm it. Keep the design simple and easy to understand. 7. Tell stories and use examples. Stories and examples are powerful tools for engaging your audience and making your content memorable. Incorporate relevant anecdotes or case studies to illustrate your points and connect with your audience on a personal level. 8. Interact with your audience. Foster a sense of connection by engaging with your audience. Encourage questions, invite participation, and create opportunities for discussion. This interaction creates a more dynamic and engaging presentation experience. 9. Practice active listening. Show genuine interest in your audience by actively listening to their questions, comments, and feedback. Respond thoughtfully and incorporate their input into your presentation. This demonstrates respect and enhances the overall learning experience. 10. Embrace authenticity. Be yourself and let your unique personality shine through. Authenticity builds trust and helps you establish a genuine connection with your audience. Embrace your strengths and embrace vulnerability, as it humanizes your presentation. Remember, developing confident public speaking skills takes time and practice. Continuously seek feedback, reflect on your performances, and make adjustments as needed. With dedication and perseverance, you'll become a captivating and charismatic speaker. So, it's time to step onto the stage with confidence and charisma. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the secrets of effective audience engagement techniques for trainers.